can't get Mondo to look up. Now he's getting mauled. Mitzi. Mondo. Whoops. Get back. Mitzi. Hey, baby girl. Hey, pretty girl. There's Mondo under there. There's Mondo. There's Mondo. Pretty boy. Oops. Casper's going to sleep. There's Casper.